Hey everyone, Trevin here.
Let's just say my name. Try again.
Hey everyone. Trevin and Kaylee here with Growing with the Rileys. Glad you joined us again. Tonight, we are actually going to be getting our storm shelter prepared, and we want to show you what we are using to help get prepared for storm season. We live here in the Midwest.
All right, so here is our storm shelter.
We got this through Midwestern Storm Shelters. They're located out of Neosho, Missouri. Midwest. We had no issue. They were right on time. They were earlier than what we had hoped.
It's kind of, they let us awkwardly sit and watch them install it.
Yeah. So we have family 6. We have some friends that live not too far from us. They have 7. We all fit in here. All standing, but if need be, we can all fit in.
So we're gonna vacuum. We're gonna put some storage underneath the ladder there, and then I think we're gonna try to put a bench in for some seating. So our first year in our house, we learned really fast that we do not even have an interior room in our home. So our first tornado season was a little scary. So this is a very big peace of mind for us that we can know if something happens, we can come right out our back door and to our stall.
We're going to use these larger boards. We're just going to cut them down and double them. We're going to use these like that all the way across.
So we can have a bench.
I can't believe that fits in there.
We got toilet paper. We are going to have to get a bucket down there as well.
And some wood chips.
Worst case scenario for the kids, but just so they would have something. We got a first aid kit. We got water. We got some wipes. We have a flashlight that these are the batteries for. We have a backup battery charger for our phones.
So we'll also have a bag, like a grab bag. So if we know there's gonna be bad weather, we'll have our like go-to grab things like food, shoes for the kids and ourselves, things like that. A friend gave us a list, so having things like our safe with all of our like birth certificates
Social
and
Security.
any cash.